the bullet cluster and direct proof. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for dark matter comes from the bullet cluster, a collision of two galaxy clusters that occurred over hundreds of millions of years. This cosmic event has provided astronomers with a rare opportunity to observe the effects of dark matter in action. In this cluster, the visible matter, mostly hot gas, was separated from the dark matter during the collision. Using X-ray observations and gravitational lensing techniques, scientists were able to map the distribution of both. Remarkably, the lensing showed that most of the mass was concentrated in regions where no visible matter was present, aligning instead with the invisible dark matter. The bullet cluster serves as a cosmic laboratory, offering direct proof that dark matter exists and behaves differently from normal matter. Unlike gas and stars, which interact and slow down during collisions, dark matter passes through unimpeded, revealing its unique properties. This discovery has had profound implications for our understanding of the universe. It not only confirms dark matter's existence, but also challenges alternative theories that attempt to explain cosmic phenomena without it. The bullet cluster stands as a striking example of the unseen forces shaping our cosmos.